Today, we'll build a camera shake transition in After Effects. Fully procedural and adjustable with sliders, so you can easily create tons of variations. Let's get started. Create a new composition. Call it Shake Transition 1 and make it 25 frames long. Add a null object. Make it orange. Turn it off. Rename it to Control and lock it to the side. This is where all the controls will live. I'll add 2 pieces of footage just for the preview purposes and place the transition point at frame 6. Add a composition marker there and call it Cut. Now add an adjustment layer. Rename it to Shake and set its color to None. Add a slider control to the adjustment layer. Rename it to Shake Control. Now let's animate it. Set it to 0 at the start, 1 at the cut marker, and back to 0 at the end. Select the keyframes, easy ease them, and adjust the curve so the shake ends more smoothly. Select the control layer and add a slider control. Name it Velocity. Duplicate it and rename it to Distance. Duplicate one more time and call it Random Seed. Now go to the Shake Adjustment layer, add a transform effect, and Alt-click on the Position stopwatch. Start the expression with Seed Random, open the parenthesis, and link it to the Random Seed slider. On the next line, type Wiggle, open the parentheses, link the first argument to the Velocity slider, put a comma, and link the second argument to the Shake Control, multiplied by the Distance slider, multiplied by 10. This ties the position shake directly to the animation curve we've set up, and we multiply it by 10 because position is in pixels, so it needs a bigger number to feel like an actual shake. Set velocity to 6, distance to 50, and random seed to 10. Let's take a look. This already feels pretty solid. Copy the position expression. Alt-click on the rotation stopwatch and paste the expression. I'll divide the second argument by 5, because rotation generally needs much smaller values. Do the same for scale. Paste and divide by 5. For skew, paste again, divide by 2, and set the skew axis to 90. Turn off the composition shutter checkbox and set the shutter angle to 360. Now, add a motion tile effect. Enable mirror edges and set the output value to 200. Place it before the transform. Add another slider control to the control layer and call it Distortion. Select the shake layer and add an optics compensation effect. Check Reverse Lens Distortion. Then Alt-click on the Field of View stopwatch and link it to the shake control, multiplied by the distortion slider. Set distortion to 75. Add one more slider control and call it Flash. Set it to 80. Add an exposure effect and Alt-click on the exposure stopwatch. Link it to the shake control and multiply by the flash slider, divided by 100. This gives you a quick white flash at the peak of the shake. Let's take a look at what we have. Nice! That's looking like a real camera shake. Now let's delete the footage. The transition is built as a preset, so it works on any clip. Create a new composition. Let's call it Edit, and make it 180 frames long. I'll drag and drop the footage. Let me roughly place it on the timeline. Great! Now I'll duplicate the transition 3 more times to cover each cut. I'll just change the random seed, and every shake will have its own unique pattern automatically. Place each transition on the cut. The marker makes it easy to snap them in place. Make sure to turn on the collapse transformation switch on each transition layer, so the blend modes and effects pass through correctly to the footage underneath. And that's it. You can control everything from a single layer, and since the random seed is exposed, you get a unique feel on every cut without rebuilding anything. If you want ready-to-use transitions like this one already built and prepped, check out the Ultimate Motion Bundle in the description. There is no subscription, you can use it forever, and get free updates every couple of months. Hit like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!